Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file non-resident tax return in TurboTax. So, all you have to do is head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on Personal Info, then proceed by clicking on Continue. So from here, start filling out the basic information about you, such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and occupation or job title. Then once done, just head over and click on Continue. Next, start filling out the address and phone number section, starting with type of mailing address and, of course, your address details, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Then, once done, just head over and click on Continue. Make sure to also add in your SSN or ITIN. Then proceed by clicking on Continue. Next is fill in other situation information. Proceed by clicking on continue. Also fill in details about your household. And this part is crucial. You're going to answer, did you make money in any other states? Make sure that you choose yes. Then also select the state. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Lastly, make sure that you review and sign that all the details you entered are all correct. Add in your full name, and if you're filing jointly with your spouse, and sign date. Then once done, just head over and click on agree. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.